Hello everyone, this is a quick video to show everyone how to update MyUSM to make sure you're set up to receive notifications. First thing you need to do is be sure you log in, and once you log in you're going to go to the right hand side, find your name, and then you're going to click on Settings. And in Settings you're going to find on the left side Notifications, and that's where we're going to work on today. Want to make sure that when you go in that your notifications, your email is set up in the correct way. If not, you can edit that email or delete it and come up with a new one or put in a new one. And you want to make sure your text number is correct. And then when you scroll down, you're going to see all the types of messages that you can receive emails and texts for. And this is where you want to make sure you have the right boxes checked. Messages, those are the messages that you receive up here in the right hand corner. You can see announcements. Teachers typically do announcements at like a last minute. It might have rained in PK, so we want to make sure that you have your boots, or a last minute reminder about a field trip. Those are announcements. Assignments, you want to have that checked for however you want to receive that information. Assignments typically are used in 3rd and 4th grade, mostly in lower school. And then if assignment changes, you want that noted as well. And then news. This is another one you're really going to want to make sure you have checked. And that's the weekly news that gets posted to MyUSM by the classroom teacher. So when you want to be notified that that page has been updated, that's the area here. In the edit options on announcements and news, it's important to click on that just to make sure you've got the right categories selected. So you want to make sure you have alerts and academics checked for both. Mine are checked for some other areas, but you can certainly check other areas if you need to. But be sure alerts, academics are checked in all of those areas. Click Save, and that will make sure that it's set to go. Underneath, mine, I have all of the pages for the entire lower school and preschool, but this is the bulk email. This is so you will get information when the school sends out Tower Weekly, for example, or they send out something just to all of the children in 2nd grade, for example, or the PA announcements. You want to go through and just make sure those are checked. If they're already checked for you, please don't change those because they're pre-populated, and want to make sure you are always getting the correct information. If you have questions about your notifications, you can always contact your classroom teacher or give us a call here in the office, 414-540-3100. All right, thanks for watching this information about updating your notifications.